I think about humans really interestingly. If you're hungry, you go to your refrigerator or Uber Eats or whatever it is, and you find food. If you're out of milk, you buy milk. But when we're out of inspiration, we panic. If we're out of motivation, we panic. If we're out of energy, we panic. Like, it's like, oh my God, there must be something wrong with me. There's something like that's not working for me. I think it's really important that we learn something every day. The problem is we stop studying the moment we leave school.
Yeah.
And we need to learn one insight per day. It could be the tiniest thing someone says to you. It could be listening to your podcast right now and you'll take away one insight. It could be learning a new word. It could be anything. Just learning one tiny thing a day changes the brain. It makes you feel like you're moving. You don't feel stuck anymore because you have a new piece of insight. You have a new experience that you can share with someone else. And your podcast is going to do that for so many people.
Honestly, I love that you say that, first of all, but this is one of my biggest single things. And, I feel like I didn't take very much away from school at all.